Boy, that was noisy as fuck, and these brakes suck. This boat on the right was for sale for $30K for a while. That's a good movie. Riptide. It's got James Earl Jones in it. I really like his character in that movie. Trinity. That's a sturdy boat. A star to sea. I think Trinity might have been on Deadbeat's Catchy. Not sure. Can we make it up this nasty ass ramp? I doubt it. Thanks. Sharn. Do it. Come on. You're an old guy. But you still got it in you, don't you? Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, hell yeah. No problem, eh? Don't attempt this at home. I'm what you would call a professional. Big bada boom. Bada bing. Bada boom. Golly gee whiz. Wow. Here we are, hiding out on the beach with Slow Burn, hanging out, and we got Duck on the down low, because that's how ducks are. They're not really down low about it, but you know, you got to keep up appearances. Don't mind the nose ring. He was doing it before it was cool. But yeah, what do we got here? We got Voodoo Ranger, Imperial, Belgian, new Belgian, some bull crap. Yeah, it's all right. It's not too fruity, not too IPA-ish. Yeah, it is the Voodoo. I don't know if that's satanic or not. Got a, good complexion, Skeletor. But, Skeletor's pretty cool. But yeah, we survived another week of crazy people. Weird questions. Weirder answers. Went to the grocery store, and get this beer. Got a bottle of soda for the old lady. And, grabbed this beer. Went up to the little cash register lady there. Can I see your ID? And it's like, yeah, okay. Like, whatever. So I pull out my ID and show it to her, and she reaches for it. And I kind of pull back, and I'm like, you can see it. Valid date. Legit, It's real tracking ID there. I gotta scan it. What? No, you ain't gotta scan my ID. Yeah. Well, I gotta scan it. And I kind of push the beer toward her. It's like, well, you can have that. I gotta scan it. Like, no, you can have the beer. I don't want the beer. You're not IDing me for a soda pop. So I went around the corner to the liquor store that doesn't scan your ID, much less check your ID, because I go in there, I've gone in there for the past 40 years, so it's bad when most of the liquor store cashiers know you by name. It's telling, isn't it? So yeah, no. As soon as people want to scan my IDs, it isn't the government, because it's the ID, it belongs to them. That little piece of plastic in your pocket, that don't belong to you. Make that clear. They're just letting you borrow it. Anybody else? Nah, yeah, no. You look at it and it's cool. But you can't touch it. We'll definitely have to get in some camping action. Yeah, I've been kind of on, editing hiatus for the past few months. I haven't really posted any videos. The live thing's kind of lazy. And then I mark them as private when I'm done anyway, so you either see it or you don't.